In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact an Airbnb host for cleaning services. To get started, open Airbnb and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account connected to your stay, especially if you've already made a reservation. That way, it'll be much easier to reach the correct host and keep everything organized in one place. Next, search for the property you want to book, or the one you've already booked. If you're still deciding, you can message the host directly from the listing before confirming your stay. If your reservation is already active, you'll still be able to contact the host through your trip details. Once you've found the property, open the listing page so you can view the full details. On that page, look for the option that says Contact Host or Message Host. If you've already booked, go to Trips, open your reservation, and use the messaging section there to contact the host directly. Now it's time to write your message. Keep it clear and polite and ask specifically about cleaning services. For example, you can ask whether extra cleaning is available during your stay, whether they offer mid-stay housekeeping, or whether special cleaning requests can be arranged. Being specific helps the host understand exactly what you need and respond more accurately. In your message, include your booking details, such as your travel dates, along with any specific cleaning needs you have. If you need service on certain days, want a refresh during a longer stay, or have a particular request related to the space, mention that clearly so the host can check availability and let you know what's possible. After that, send your message and wait for the host to respond. Once you receive a reply, review it carefully. Pay attention to what cleaning services are available, how much they cost, and when they can be scheduled. Some hosts may offer flexible options, while others may have set arrangements. Before moving forward, confirm any additional fees. This is important so you know exactly what to expect and can avoid misunderstandings later. Make sure the price, timing, and service details are clearly understood before you request the cleaning. Finally, keep all communication within Airbnb's messaging system. This helps ensure that your conversation, any service details, and any agreements are documented in one place. It's the safest and clearest way to manage the request and refer back to it if needed, and that's how to contact an Airbnb host for cleaning services.